Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a new binary options strategy that is applied using only two indicators and is quite easy to perform. Don't forget to subscribe because I will continue to upload more strategies that are easy to perform. Okay, for this strategy we are going to use 1 minute candles and 1 minute expiration time. We will use the following indicators: ATR bands, average true range bands. For this indicator to appear, write the full name. In period, we put 14. Here we put OHLC 4. Color put the one you want. This indicator is used to measure price volatility and thus estimate its movement. Fractal. In period, we put 3. Red color and green color. Thanks to this indicator, we can see the possible trend reversal points. Buy. If the fractal breaks the band below, this will indicate a buy in the next candle. Therefore, we will carry out a buy operation at 1 minute. Sell. If the fractal breaks the band above, it will indicate a sell in the next candle. Therefore, we will carry out a sell operation at 1 minute. Always try to trade when there is a marked short trend and not when the trend is too lateral. For example, in this case I will trade, but the price isn't decided by a trend, so I won't trade. Later in the video I will give you some advice to make this strategy more effective. Let's apply the strategy. Here, it's very possible that a fractal is formed that protrudes the ATR bands. Let's analyze the operation. First fractal was formed that protrudes the ATR bands, and I did the sell operation at 1 minute when the next candle formed. Once you have practice with this strategy, you will figure out where the fractal is going to form before it does. Here I'm going to show you an operation that I did. As you can see, a fractal was formed that just exceeded the ATR bands and I did the purchase operation. In these cases, it can happen that the fractal disappears, so I recommend applying the strategy when the candle changes color, so you make sure that there will be a rebound. I'm going to perform another operation applying this advice. As you can see, the fractal formed, so it was sure that the price was going to bounce. Therefore, I made the purchase in a minute. Well friends, hope you like this strategy. Ask me anything in the comments. In the description I leave the link of the platform. Here I leave more videos of binary options strategies.